Despite being a tourist capital, Livingstone also records cases of accidents at work, which compelled us to extend our tour to this part of Zambia. Join us as we get testimonies from people who have benefited from the works of the Workers' Compensation Fund Control Board right here in Livingstone. This time around we are in Kazungula District here, overlooking the Zambezi River right there, and we are visiting Gabriel Lubinda, who is paralyzed. He also has a story to tell as to how he became paralyzed and what the Workers' Compensation Fund Control Board is doing for him. Okay, now this is Gabriel Lubinda, right in Kazungula District, Southern Province, and he used to work for a construction company right here in the district, but unfortunately he was involved in an accident, and that has confined him to a wheelchair. Gabriel is here. He's going to share with us his ordeal. So Mungati was a background, your age, and the name join a company you. Na vene mwanzo chita ku company.
Mimi naendera ku company. Abwera nuza kya. Iyo kakumbe ko mugojo chotapira manzi opereka ku company.
Yonze mwenze mu mwaka bwanji.
Namba mu August.
August 20.
Pamene nayamba and vananuza that this week. But in November, August, and then become October and Pamene Nachikirat.
Which year was that?
2013.
Okay.
And Nabuera Mugodi. And Anabuera on Pereka Hospital. And Ufika Hospital. Naeve mzungu kwa mene nengo sevenza huko anaenda hospital endo tandiza but sana ntandiza nani wamene wanabwe ontandiza batate wamene wanaenda kulo wamene mzungu nomuchita encourage akuti abwera ntandize kupamoja.
So ninchito bwanje ne mwezo senzo kwa mene ku company.
But first momena ananingene sera ku company ndo kumba mugodi chopereka manje day amene naendo chita accident ananuza ati tukachose sandio building amene ndo chita wamene construction kagaina.
Okay. Okay. All right. So manje life inalibwanje kutoka pamene accident inachitika.
But life is difficult mani. Mimi so penangu muntu. Ankara mushi penangu. Ambera monga ati. Apati sakaina akazi mwanga.
Ni vitani vinaongeka pale.
Sana.
Msana. Okay. So manje tuze nikoni workers compensation wanabwera unili tifaina wanabwera kwamba kumutandiza.
Compensate.
Okay, but in somewhere 2014, eh? Okay. So maybe mungatuze kunitandiza hapo nje ni mkingo kuli workers compensation.
Naleta mikwala. Banambo nondetera ka 800 per month.
Anything else?
Anything else? Na moto kaima bweo nitenga tereka kufizi.
Oh, mumenda na kufizi.
But fizi onyamba pachiviri nje pamene zambo.
Okay.
Nje pamene ndo yamba fizi.
Okay.
But moto kama bweo nitenga moto ka. Pachiyambi kenzo tenga maafu kuli bantu chabu.
Okay.
Ndo kongwa yotereka nishapo la compensate akalibo yamba ntandiza.
Ni maubwanji na ngene mungafuna kama po bali kwa mimi wamshitana workers compensation.
Ni mkamba bapa jabole mkaili bantandiza. Mantandiza yenda so mungu abatandiza pamene banzenzo ntandiza nayo.
Okay, Mr. Lubinda, ziko mkwambili tutashare story and nice, and I'm sure it's like to continue to just coming to check up and obviously get you also. Yeah, that's Gabriel Lubinda, right here in Kazungula District, Southern Province. That's kind of distance from the Livingston town. And he's just shared his ordeal as to what happened. He was buried underground for some time when earth fell on him when he was working for a construction company. And unfortunately, he broke his backbone. So right about now, Workers' Compensation is helping him with some funds and other materials, and also taking him for physiotherapy. Yeah, and we just hope for the best for him. Yeah, as we continue to bring some more people that we're talking to in this place to showcase the works of the Workers' Compensation Fund Control Board.